Hey guys, it is MM here. I'm so happy because we are going to the store today. I'll see you guys when I get there. I arrived at the store and we're gonna go get some packaging. We'll walk in. Here's some packaging. I'm gonna take this white packaging. There's a blue packaging too. Now I'm gonna go get some stuff. Put it here and I'm gonna sit here. Oh, it's a little donut squishy. Donut squishy. It is a donut squishy. Look at it. It's a white donut squishy. I'm gonna take this. Definitely. Oh, donut squishy. Another donut squishy. This time it's a donut with chocolate syrup and cinnamon. Those white things are cinnamon and that's chocolate syrup. I just saw this. It is so cute. A cake pop cutie. We're gonna see what we have. Can't wait. You guys can see anything there and know what it is, leave it down in the comments. And please subscribe, and then you can come a part of the Style Squad. Then you can come a part if you subscribe to the Food Squad. A little cupcake. It's adorable. It's with sprinkles. Gotta buy that. It is so cute. Look at all the things I already bought. So cool. This is the ultimate thing ever. Ever. It's a giant cupcake. It has chocolate, sprinkles, and I don't even know what it is. I love it. Now we're going to go to the till and I'm going to show you guys what I bought. Okay, we are at the till. Gonna find somewhere to put the camera. I think that's right. I think it's right. I don't know if it's right. Okay, yeah, this is right. So, I took this little cupcake. It didn't come with double packaging. I'm sorry, guys. And this cake pop cutie. This donut squishy. With another donut squishy. And this giant cupcake. Here we go. Okay, we're at home, so I'm going to throw this all out. I'm going to put you guys somewhere you guys can see. I think that's it. I don't know why if that's it. I think that's it. Yep, that's it. Hey guys, so I have got this is my little lesson here. And we're first going to see what we got in the Cake Pop Cutie. Gotta bring you guys closer. We've got... it's a little kitty. It's a little kitty. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. I love squishing these things. I love squishing them. They're so cute. They're so cool. They're so cool. Cute. They're so cute. They're so cute. I'm just going to put this in there so that it's here. And then a little cupcake. Smells good. Okay, so a cupcake. And then another giant cupcake. It smells so nice. Oh, it smells like real chocolate. Blech. And 2 donut squishies. So we did the candy store. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe down below, and if you subscribe and leave a thumbs up, then you can come a part of the food squad. Bye guys, love you.